What is going on? Dennis Vice here, and today we are doing an unboxing and review of the Weird Tales LED strip lights sold by XBooty on Amazon. Link is in the description. This will just be a quick unboxing, and it's a pretty much do-it-yourself project involving these LED strip lights, so I'll show you what I get in the box. We're going to start off with the remote control receiver. This is what your AC adapter is going to be plugged up into. And speaking of which, here's the AC adapter, which is your standard 2-prong adapter. Not much to it. Pretty long cord. Of course, you're going to need it depending on your project. Next, we are going to look at the L-shaped connectors. This kit comes with 2 L-shaped connectors and 1 standard connector. These are the important pieces for depending on what project you want, how you want to set these lights up. They're going to be necessary pieces. We'll talk a bit more about how we're going to use them a little later. Next, we have the remote control. Now, aside from the remote control, these lights can also be used with your phone, so we'll get into that a bit more later as well. Here are the LED strips. Now, this is about a 16-foot roll, a little bit more than that, and it already has the adhesive on the back. But in addition to that, you also get extra adhesive strips just in case you need them for your project. To round out the box, we have the instruction manual, which also has the QR code for the app on your phone to control these lights. Now, getting into the roll, you see the connecting pins for the 16-foot roll. What makes these lights pretty easy to work with is that you see the cutout as well of where you need to cut when you're actually planning on laying out these strips. It's very easy to see, it's very easy to do. Every 3 LEDs you can actually make a cut, so planning is pretty simple as long as you plan ahead and don't waste anything. We're going to make our cuts, and this isn't really going to be a tutorial video. Rather, we're going to go ahead and set things up, and then I'm going to show you what the final product looks like. Now, the only snafu I kind of ran into is that originally I did not insert the connectors far enough into the LCD strips, or the L-shaped connectors rather. And when you don't, everything may look fine, but as you can see, there were a few discrepancies with how the colors were being shown. Once you connect everything properly, that's not a problem. And here's what it looks like when everything is connected properly. I was able to use those strips to go completely around this TV, all 4 edges, with some extra to spare. Now, from the remote control, there are a few presets that you can utilize. There's strobes and flashes amongst color choices, but the key is using the app on your phone in order to get even more out of these strips. You can precisely set your color. You have even more presets for gradients, flashes, and strobes. You have a microphone mode that allows the microphone or the music to dictate what colors show up. And then you also have the workout mode, which has the color move in a repetition or to a pace that you choose. Overall, it's a very nice setup, and I really enjoy putting it together, and I'm getting a lot of good use out of it. So this is a 5-star from me. See you in the next video, and if you like these reviews, go ahead and leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you next time. Signing out.